Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a seamless color transition using keyframes in CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is just add the clip and go to the part of the clip that where you want the transitions to happen. Click on the clip and add keyframe. Add a keyframe and move forward a bit. Then add another keyframe like this. Then on the second keyframe you just need to add some filter. So just select any filter that you want. In this case I'm using the high saturation filter. Adjust it to your liking. Then if you want you can also add other adjustment like contrast or sharpness like this. Click on the check icon, then you'll have this video. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.